Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I always love having you watching on the other side, just to share some of my highlights in the week. I enjoy making myself this cup of coffee that's in particular very good for energy and also very good for immunity. It gives my immunity that extra boost that I need, and also it helps keep my mind alert. And what's a good week without beautiful nature? I love the calming feeling that looking at these flowers and plants and the green gives. I love just taking walks and taking note of this nature. Such a very big gift from God. I enjoyed visiting this agriculture expo arranged by Iowa State University, which is a university that's agro-based, and I loved watching the different innovations. Like this is rice porridge from orange and sweet potato. That's very good for the children. I loved that we can actually make mandazi on nice eats from sweet potato. This was their English stand, as you can see, just different words. Here, ink, sink, stink, life, wife, knife, glass, glove, glide. I love the different innovations and what they're doing in the community, in the local community. I think it's very impressive. I enjoyed visiting this particular stand. This is corn flour from corn. Very interesting innovations here, very lovely innovations. I loved visiting these. Look at these eats, they look yummy. They were for sale for the participants at the expo. Very awesome stuff there. This was just a stand for products made out of greens, eggs and different stuff. These are different grains. Millet flour, that's juice, that's like very encouraging and innovative stuff. This was a stand still at the expo. Loved watching that. This was just them showing us how to make chicken feed, broiler feed, broken maize, fish meal, and how to put all of that together and actually make amazing brands, chicken feed for the necessary boost. This was a stand for items out of chicken, Ankara fabric. I in particular love these boots. I think they look so beautiful. They put together out of fabric, African fabric. These were also exercise boots made by the women. Like the kind of creativity here, even though like trying to do that very stuff. These are products made by Zone over in Eastern Uganda. I got to visit, this is their farm, the farm that it's their demonstration farm. They get to teach the locals in the community modern farming practices that they can actually go and teach others and also implement on the land that they have. This was a demonstration of how you can grow plants from sacks. I visited this company that makes coffee, Robusta coffee that grows in Eastern Uganda. I love the packaging. I think it looks amazing. I think it looks good. I actually got to buy myself some coffee. This is just packs of coffee if you need some. I got to visit these lovely kids. They were amazing. We got into some conversation. Very friendly kids, very lovely kids. I loved just watching them do their clothing. That's their uniform for Sunday, the next day. I love the sound of their laughter. Very welcoming, very loving. No care in the world, just being them, just doing what they're supposed to do, washing their clothes. It was lovely. I got to tour like the beautiful green around their home. And then these lovely kids as I went for a walk. Oh my gosh, I got to see this. I went for my lunch walk and I got to see the kids playing and just having the time of their lives. Just nice and calming stuff to look at. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.